Guys, it's too hard to date a person who doesn't see you like a human being or who doesn't value you most of the times, because some people they don't care. They care about their feelings. You understand it? Because maybe he dated you or he married you for something, some reason. You understand it? Because we are some of the people, they are being in some reasons. You understand? Because most of the men, maybe you are a mistake in his life, because some of the people he can pregnant you, but he doesn't not ready for that time to to have a child with you. Maybe his parents or your parents forced you to stay together because you are already pregnant. You understand? It's happened. And at later, and he can see that he's not that person who he wants. You understand it? Because most of the times, most of the people, they are being married for a reason. You understand? They are being married for many reasons, for different reasons. Some people, they are being forced with their parents to being married because they have already pregnant. You understand?